We're absolutely thrilled to work on projects for Sunday River and also throughout the Boyne Group. It gives us an opportunity to really showcase what Doppelmayr can do, and without Stephen Kirch and his team, we just wouldn't have a chance to make these leaps and kind of help getting the US lift industry into a completely new league. What's happening right this moment, bottom terminal has been erected. It's being enclosed as we speak, so it's starting to look wonderful with the splash red. The top terminal, a steel erection, is just starting now. And so we're moving into that phase, and then we'll be flying the remaining concrete. And shortly after that, it will be kind of big fly day and starting to set towers by helicopter on the lift line. Detached technology has been around since the mid-90s or so. It's taking 30 years worth of detachable lift technology, take all the lessons learned, and instead of just making incremental little tweaks, you build upon that and you come up with a product that incorporates all of that. So it's superior guest experience, it's ease of maintenance, it's reduced maintenance cycles, it's energy savings, it's new technology such as direct drives, and of course a very aesthetic, new, fresh look to go with that.